I'm going to show you how to do a freestyle French manicure at home in today's video. And make sure you stick around till the end because I'm going to show you what it looks like 1 week later. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. My name is Jennifer and I love to do my manicures at home. So today I'm going to do an at-home French manicure. Yes, you can do it. And this is what I'm using. I love the Londontown 9 Free vegan nail polishes. They are my favorite and it's pretty much all I use now. So I'm just showing you what I'm using here, and you don't have to use all of these things. In fact, all you really need are the colors and the base and the top coat, but I'm going to give myself a full manicure and I will explain to you what each of these are as I use them. Before we go any further, please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content and hit like if you'd like to see more at-home manicure videos. I'm going to start with Londontown's glass nail file, and I file my nails all in the same direction to prevent breakage. Then I'm going to take their soft touch nail scrub and put that on each nail, and I'm going to massage it in. This is just going to exfoliate the nail and help prepare it for the polish. Then I'm taking some essential oils. These are the frankincense oils by Manicure, and I'm putting them in a dish of warm water with a little bit of Castile soap, and I'm soaking my nails. Now I'm going to put their nourishing cuticle oil on my nails. And I don't push back my cuticles, it's just a choice. I don't like to do it, so I do this and I can just gently massage them, and it just keeps them healthy. But I find that I don't actually have to trim my cuticles ever. Now I'm going to take their 2-in-1 hand serum and I'm going to massage this into my hands to moisturize the skin. This is a critical step here. Now I'm going to take nail polish remover and take off everything that is on my nails. So now I'm going to apply the Gel Genius base coat. And now for the color. So I'm going to take the white color. It's in Duchess by Londontown. And my trick is to keep the hand flat and to roll the finger. You can always touch up the sides, and don't worry if you get the nail polish on your skin. So you keep your hand and you roll it while you keep the other hand steady. This takes a lot of practice, but over time you get a really steady hand. And that's why I call this a freestyle manicure. I'm not using any stickers or tape or any other devices. I'm just simply painting on the nails. Yes, you are going to have a lot of nail polish on your nails, but you can take care of that later. Don't worry about that part. French manicures are beautiful, but they can be very expensive at the salon. So I actually like to do them at home, and from a distance especially, they look professional. Maybe up close you could tell that they are not quite a professional manicure, but for me, the price difference of doing it at home outweighs all of the cons. So of course doing the other hand is quite tricky, but you get used to it, and what I do is I roll it, and I tend to have to go each way. So I'll start on one side and then I will roll on the other. And this was really stressful to film because I was trying to look into the camera at the same time. But here is an upper shot. So notice I'm keeping my hand straight and flat. And then I roll the finger. It's going to look really messy. Don't worry about that. You can clean it up later. Now I'm going to take another shade. This is Cheerio, but any light shade would do. And I'm going to go over the nails. You don't have to do this, but I do like the slight tint that it gives, and it makes it look more salon. Now I'm going to take the Gel Genius top coat. I love this stuff. My nails can last for so long, as you will see at the end of the video, and I'm just going to go over every nail. Their accelerating drying oil is so good. One of my viewers told me about this. I hadn't tried it before, but it really works. Okay, now I'm going to take a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover and just gradually go over the nail where all of the excess polish was. And this is the finished result. So yes, they're not perfectly symmetrical lines. However, I think they look pretty good for doing a DIY at-home manicure. I save so much money doing it this way. I really enjoy wearing a French manicure. I think it's a very classic look, and I go through phases where I will wear this for months. This is something that you can do at home, and it's something that you should feel empowered to do. So I filmed this right after I finished the manicure, but as the hours go on and you wash your hands, all of the excess paint comes off as well. I have a coupon code for Londontown down below. Make sure you use that. It's for 25% off.
Hi everyone, it's 1 week after I did the initial manicure video, so I wanted to show you realistically what the nails look like. I have not touched these up at all. So here they are. I think they look really good, and I'm telling you, this is why I like Londontown, because I have not touched them up at all. This is what they look like. So you can see it's kind of peeling back from, let's see, maybe I should get out of the sun here. I'm trying to find the best place to do this, not in front of the bathtub maybe. It's kind of peeling back from the top, but you really cannot notice. Let me go into different light. Let's see. Maybe this is more helpful here. There we go. So yeah, that's what they look like after 1 week. So you can see, yeah, it is starting to peel back at the top. It's starting to wear down, but it still looks really good. I've been wearing this strong for 1 week. And let's see this side right here. This is the manicure. So I hope that you enjoyed this French manicure tutorial. I've been doing this a lot lately and I've really enjoyed it, and it's very chic and simple. So feel empowered to do it yourself at home. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you next time.